Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Hope everybody's having a good day today. Today we're going to be planting these. These are Wilco yellow lupins. I've also grown some of these from seed. We'll just have a quick spin round. These are them. I should have had probably 20 or 30 in there, but I had the lid on. I thought I'd connected the thermostat. I hadn't. I put the heat mat underneath it. Came back a day later and they were just cooked, and I mean cooked. There were potatoes in there that had been boiled. So I'm surprised any are going to survive at all, but I might have got 3 or 4 there, fingers crossed, which would be nice. As you can see, just absolutely cook the seeds. But these 1, 2, 3, 4, hopefully they will be okay. So yeah, let's get back to these, shall we? Take you through what it says on the back here. It says, get the lights on. It says Lupin Russell has majestic flower spikes which provide early summer colour year after year. Great for dot planting and mixed cottage style borders. Well, mine's a cottage garden, so that's great. Spacing 10 centimetres. I like to give them 4 to 18 inches because once they get established, they can grow quite big, the crowns. When to plant them? What should you do? Flowering time June to August. Well, if you have got any of these, I would not like to leave them another month in this packet. I really wouldn't. As you can see there, it's also all got some growth. So I'm going to plant them now. I've got a warm greenhouse, so unfortunately these will probably flower before they get in the garden. But I can put the spikes off and then plant the crowns. I'll get some wonderful flowers next year. So yeah, we'll just get these planted. So yeah, let's get these open. I always like to keep that just on one side. Just so when they start flowering and that, or you forget what you've done with them, you remember what you've planted. So let's empty these out, shall we? I'm using these pots, as you can see there, that's had my hand, so good, 8 inches across. And I've ordered these online, so I normally like to go into the shop and pick my tubers, because that's why. That one is mash. See there? So I've only got one out there. As you see there, one of them is actually rotted. And that's why I say, and that was rotted well before I got it. Look at that. Just absolute mush. So it's a good job I did open that. Because this one is nice, this is how it should be. This should be nice and dry and firm. You see there's some new roots coming out the bottom. You can see how to plant them. I want to be planted that way. So all the shoots towards the top. You can see where they've been laid here. Look, that one's actually broken off already. Take that one off. You don't want that to start rotting in your pot. All you do with these is in the centre like so, and then all you need to do is just fill all the way round like so. That's all you got to do, like so. And then all I will do with that is just give it a quick water on top. I won't oversaturate it. Just give it a good water. And then just get a knock down. I don't want to plant all those underneath. And what I'll do with that is, once it starts growing, I'll probably put a little bit more soil around, probably another ½ centimetre, and they should be fine. So yeah, that's how to plant up your bare root lupins. Like I said, as soon as you get them, you want to open them, make sure there's nothing in there that started rotting. Like I said, that's a mistake I made. Luckily, 1 out of the 2 is okay, so I'm not that bothered. But if I left them like another 4 weeks, they'd have all rotted. So I wouldn't have had anything at all. So if you can, you want to go to the shop. What I do, I go in there, not open the bags, but turn the bags over, have a look, see if there's anything rotten in there, and buy them off the shelves if you can. So yeah, if you've got any questions how to grow bare root lupins, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please subscribe and like. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye.